y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I know this wig is looking crazy, but this is the wig that I got from ATOZ Wig. They sent it to me to review. I reviewed it like a couple months ago. I'll list the video below, but this video I'm gonna put some wine curls in it because if you seen the last video, I was telling y'all it's really thin. So I was thinking about putting some wine curls in them and maybe like, I don't know. I'm just going to try and see how it looks. Okay, y'all. So this is the natural curl of the hair. And so what I'm just going to do is start from the back and use the smaller end of my wine curler. I'm just going to start wine curling small little curls. As y'all can see, like I said, this hair is thin. As you can see, you know, the cat. Um, So yeah, that's just what I'm going to do throughout the whole head. Now, this is my Remington curling wand. Y'all forgive that edge control that's on my hand. I've been doing videos like all day. But anyway, so this is how it looks. You know, the curled side versus the not curled side. And I'm just going to add some of my freeze spray just to make sure that the curls hold. Okay, so this is how it looks. Once I'm all the way done. The curls are really pretty. So, like I said, I'm experimenting. So I just want to see how it looks as like really big, poofy type hair. So I'm just going to start to pull it apart. And this is how it looked once I actually put it on. I was not feeling this whatsoever. So I was like, I'm just going to, you know, turn it into some bangs. So I just pinned it back and kind of turned it into like a curly wig. And it's really nice and it's really fluffy. The hair was easy to curl, and I do think it looks fuller like this. Also, y'all, I do make custom wigs. Follow me on Instagram at Slayed by Tamia, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.